Loying, kumusta? Fight jud ha, ayaw jud og surrender. Dili jud mawadan og paglaom. Naaman ang maluoy ra lagi ang Ginoo. Ampo lang jud pirme. Love you. Advance happy birthday.
Hi Ying. Hello Ying, kumusta? Na-miss na ka na mo. Get well soon. Manta makauli na ka. We miss you a lot. Ayan yun na punta. Kita-kita mga igsoon. We love you so much and advance happy birthday.
Advance happy birthday Ying. Murag dugay-dugay na gyud ta nga wala nagkita og na-miss jud ka sa atong family. And I hope Ying okay na kadira. Pagpaayo, fight jud dira og never og ayaw surrender kay kami diri everyday amo jud kang i-pray na ma-restore imong health. And we love you Ying and hope to see you soon.
Hello Tito Boy, wishing you a speedy recovery, get well soon, and advance happy birthday. See you soon Tito. Don't give up jud Tito, magkita ra jud ta pohon nga healthy ka. We love you so much Tito, looking forward for the day na magkita-kita ta tanan diri sa Iligan or sa Cebu. Bye Tito, love you.
Tito, good evening. It's not good evening sa imo kay na-hospital ka. Pero on the brighter side, it's still God is good because He loves you to the point na He wants you to survive for as long as you want to live. Thank you so much Tito. Get well very soon for everything. Sumpay ba? Thank you so much for everything Tito. Ever since nagagmay pa me, you're very selfless, and especially ni Lola. And stay strong na always Tito ha. Never lose hope, never give up despite of what happens mo nga. Di ka gusto na mag-ulmi and positive lang yapon. Walag ikaw nag-antos good, and you're such a very good example Tito, and we idolize you and we love you so much. And happy birthday Tito, God bless you, we love you so much Tito, and I hope we get to see you soon. Dira sa Tubay, dira ata sa Tubay Tito, kay libre ang hospital Tito. Kuan ako man ako istorya din. Get well soon Tito ha. Kaoloy ka kuan dira Tito, Jollibee. Diba bawal man na? Ay bawal Tito. Dasalig mo ka Tito kay high-tech dira. Kaon lang bitaw Tito kay maayo bitaw dira ang hospital. Libre pa jud. Kaon lang Tito kanang sa ikalipay nimo dito. Pwede ka manay-grill balik. Pero matambalan na jud ka. Sige lang, padayon na lang natin Tito. Happy birthday Tito, and ay nasa guli diri Tito basta wala pa gipaulit dira ra ka. Okay. Libre ra ka tanan din, maayo kay hospital din na. Munang survive ka. Dahil pray na mo Tito okay na jud ka. Okay. Buwanta lang dito kay nagkadugay nagka-high-tech na ba, especially sa medicine, unta maka-discover na sila medicine na to completely cure you Tito ba, no? Then pwede na ba maka-transplant ka o ganang hybrid sa mong kidney para grabe totally recover na jud ka, di ba Tito? So ganito lang yun dito kay maapit na jud ka maulian dayon kanang salamat kay sa tanan dito, and hope to see you maka-vacation me dira sa Dubai na libre nimo. And smile and be happy. Sige ka og Jollibee. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. I'm paying for me. Get well soon. Tito, praying for you always, and hope we get to see you soon. We love you so much, Tito, and thank you so much for everything. Basta the best kay Tito, and we're looking forward for your recovery very soon, and I hope maabot na jud ang sakto na medicine kasi it's high-tech naman karon na para makakuan ka ba, okay na jud ka, diba? Bye, Tito. See you very soon in Dubai this year. Imadto medara. Madato naman ko.
Hi, Tito Boying. Just wanted to let you know that we miss you so much and we love you, and know that you are always in our prayers. Get well soon. We will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy Boy. I love you.
I love you. Tito. Hi, Tito.
Daddy Boy.
Get
Well soon.
You forget to pray. Papa Tito's will protect you.
Okay, don't forget, Tito, to pray always.
Always and
Papa
always.
Jesus will protect you.
Always and always.
We miss you. See you soon.
See you soon.
Love you, Tito.
I love you, Tito.
Get well soon, Tito Boying. We're always praying for you. So, never give up. Magkita-kita na tapuhon. And always pray. Salig ng tapermi sa Ginoo.
Hi, Tito! Get well soon. We'll pray for your fast recovery. We love you. Ayu diha.
Get well soon, Daddy Boying. Advance happy birthday. See you soon. We miss you. We love you.
Hello, Daddy Boy. We love you. Get well soon.